Rusty Bell. Hello, Rusty.
It'll turn at 360 degrees a second, folks, and that is why it's the most highest performing aerobatic plane, biplane in the world. A little bit about the man himself. It's been a big week. He bought this plane. There's only two of them in the world. We took it out of the Smithsonian Space Museum. His first flight, what did he do? He blew the motor. That was on Monday. The team from Icon have been here all week. And on Friday evening was the first time he got to fly this plane ever. Yesterday, the fans on the boardroom were witness to history as he had never performed a full stunt in this aircraft, and he blew the crowd away here on the Saturday on the boardroom. So get ready, kids, get up out of the sand as I present to you the one and only Paul Bennett of the Wood Pits Pro as he starts his show with one crazy spiral dive. We got smoke on. Tell me, Atlantic City, are you ready for some thunder down under? Oh yeah! Come on, you gotta get loud, and I want you to look loud, because here comes the Wood Pit. That's what we've come to see. High action, high aerobatics, and gut-wrenching centrifuge. Up into the vertical. Watch this for some crazy snap rolls over the top, and he brings it back down here on to the Atlantic Ocean. Oh, how good did this plane on the Wood Pits Pro 02 Hall of Famer Steve Wolf only built two of them. There's only one hand in the world plays out the flight like this. And you're watching it now, Paul Bennett in a 45. Front flip. Here we go. Watch this, ladies and gentlemen.
We said probably the same time.
Atlantic City, you have some noise. There's microphone even on. I cannot hear you. You gotta make some noise, and we're gonna turn it up. We're gonna give you some fun under as I present to you. Perhaps a propeller, double down hammerhead. He's got a brand new plane, and he is here tearing up the northern hemisphere sky over the Atlantic Ocean. You are watching history, folks. Come check out some of our merchandise. Look for the Aussie flag all the way back at 3 o'clock. And we'll sign all your shirts as we get to set up for a combination of his favourite tricks. Look at that inside loop. He will hover there now because he wants all you to pay attention as he drops down into his two of his most favourite tricks. We'll start off with a flat spin. Look at that propeller, that machine hanging high. Our next trick here, showing the agility and performance of this wonderful machine. How good does that red plane look in the northern hemisphere sky? Never seen before, ladies and gentlemen. And here is the go. The tail slide that you're about to see, ladies and gentlemen, is the very best in the world. There's not a man or machine that can do it as good. He's got the smoke on. Now sit back and watch this. As the Wolf Pits Pro flies backwards at over 80 miles an hour. 'Cause I'm TNT, I'm dynamite. I'm popping in that inside, outside loop. What do you think, Atlantic City? It's time to look loud. Get up out of your chairs. Throw your kids and your kids in the air. I don't care. 'Cause it's the packet from down under. Jersey Coast. Jersey Coast. How good does the Wolf Pits Pro look up there, folks? We got the smoke on. That was the Humpty Bump for all the boys and girls. And the see Claudine sign your shirts around 3 p.m. Right down here, look for the Aussie flag. It's really beautiful 4-point as it takes your turn. Now, Paul will come into a half cube and it's set up for a trick bump. My dear Dad said when anything was really cool or something that someone couldn't do, we used to call that wacky-do. Now, folks, there's people who call this trick many things over the world. Some call it the slider, but it's actually showing off the pure performance of the man and machine. Get ready, boys and girls. Wacky-do! Towards the crowd on the beach in the pier. We got some big action coming straight after this one. No worry, folks, because the F-22 demo team's in the house. Now he'll set up for the wacky-do. He's having so much fun up there, he does not want to come down. Here he comes. Wacky-do! Extreme, we're out of control there of that beautiful plane. Oh, now, reposition. Look at it, hanging up. Here in the sky, it's a great day. 2022 shore and shore. I've heard this called a banana pass, I've heard it called many things. But where I come from the Gold Coast, the best place in Australia, and I go surfing every day. And what we call it when we're having some fun down in the sun is we call it profit. Ladies and gentlemen, for the final pass in your that is the end of the show for. Well, as I said, we got a heap of stuff coming. It's been an awesome day. I just got to thank you and all the team.